والآن مع محاضرة يلقيها مهندس رسلان سلاخوف سان بطربرج روسيا.
Lecture of Engineer Ruslan Selkhov, St. Petersburg, Russia.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, I would like to express our much thanks to organizers and the chairpersons of the forum for the opportunity given to us to bring our message to such a representative forum. I'm representing the company that developed technology that could help to remove wastes, to transfer waste to the useful products, to clean the cities, and to use low grading fuels with the environmentally friendly way. And our company have 24 patents and 37 inventors involved, and we are working in this field more than 40 years. So the essence of the technology is that in high-speed pyrolysis in reactor is going on in 5 seconds, heat, and the fuel is heated by own ash. And in some points, we can, in the same reactor, to receive oil, or we can rise up temperature and produce gas. All this could be got in one reactor. And this is a technology, it is not very complex. Fuel dried, then heat it up by own ash, and decomposed organic matter goes in form of vapors to the cooling system, where it transforms it to the liquid fraction on fuel, diesel, benzene, and gas. And the coke goes to air fountain furnace, where it could be gasified, and then fuel gas goes to heat recovery boilers, where steam generated to produce electricity, and ash used to heat up new portion of fuel or wastes or any other organic matters. Here is how it works, and no dioxin formed during the process, because no chlorine, no oxygen in reactor, and when combustion is going on in the air fountain furnace, there is no aromatics and no chlorine, only carbon. It is most efficient technology in the world. Efficiency of this technology more than 90% if count for the useful products. When compared with other technology in the world, fracking, in situ, and others, our technology brings the biggest final result expressed in the profit or minus environmental costs. This is references, it's photos how the plants looks like in Estonia. In Estonia now 5 installation works with capacity 1 million ton per year, and 2 installation works with capacity 150,000 tons a year. This is a number of projects we are involved in different countries of the world. And this typical project schedule. All the research and construction takes 2.5 years only to any capacity plant. Before, we also provide geological research, exploration, and we do it by remote method, by electromagnetic sounding, and after we can do it from the airplane, from the car, and as a result we receive 3D map of the deposit of oil shale or solid waste. As well, we take samples and we test the samples on our laboratory bench scale installation that allow us to design a plant of any capacity. And for example, this is for Jordan oil shale processing plant. And this on the right photo, you can see processing plant 1 million ton a year for oil shale in Estonia. And all the equipment produced by our partners, Remexi-Keskus in Estonia, it is very big equipment, and this equipment is licensed and guaranteed for the 30 years of operation. On the base of St. Petersburg Technology University, we have organized courses and for preparation of a personal and training program for serving this plant. And our technology allow to process municipal solid waste and use it to the useful products. We have presented proposal for Egypt to build a plant in the landfill near Alexandria. We have measured the average content of the waste on this landfill, how much metal, stone, glass, food, and other ingredients. We have designed the layout for this processing plant. It is not very big, only 200 to 250 meters. This is list of the facilities we need to build, and production activity will include producing of 2,000 barrels per day of oil and 600 megawatt hours a day of electricity, asphalt mixture from the ash, and as well serving for disposal of the waste. We have calculated all the cash flows analysis. In the project you can see it is paying back in 3 years of operation only. Production cost of oil will be only $13 per 1 barrel without amortization, and $40 with amortization, very cheap. Electricity 3 cents per kilowatt hour. So advantage of this technology is that we have a honor to offer to Egypt for implementation. It is complete utilization of municipal solid waste. No 1 gram remaining on the landfill. All the material going to useful products. Landfill will be released, and you can use these lands for the any other use. No energy outside required to utilize waste. No hazard emission generated. Dioxin formed in the absence of oxygen in reactor and the absence of chlorine in aromatic in combustor, so no dioxin formed, and sulfur bond is as well bound to the asphalt mixture and to the ash and to cement. We as well can produce drinking water. Instead of when we put in power plant, instead of a cooler, we put desalination plant, then we produce drinking water. And Kyoto mechanism may be used because our vessels, they have designed it in such a way that they not consume the Kyoto quota for greenhouse gases emission. And high efficiency of this project can encourage development of the waste collection system in Egypt, and to make all your cities cleaner, and people healthier and to make life better. Another proposal we gave to process oil shale in Red Sea area. We, in the 2009-2010 years, we assessed oil shale deposit in Red Sea area and made a proposal to build oil shale processing factory using our technology in Qusair. This is, we have assessed 6 different deposits of oil shale. We have calculated resources and they have assessed oil, you see, it will be $19 production cost of oil in this deposit of Qusair. This is yield of oil in from 40 to 230 meters yield of oil from oil shale, up to 10% you can see in the depths of 230. It will be mined by the underground method, so it will not harm to the environment during mining. And this we calculated all the things, organic elements in oil shale, how much gas, how much electricity. We build the technology, material heat balances, and this is demonstrates how much ash, how much electricity will be produced, and how much efficiency of extraction of energy from oil shale, 88%, using our technology. And payback period is 3 years only. And we assess it on this deposit reserve of the shale, reserve of oil, reserve of electricity, net value of the resources, and how much oil, how much ash, how much construction material, and as well we assess it how much metals contains in ash, how much vanadium, uranium, and different other things that could be used, and offer it to make the prospecting works using electromagnetic sounding. This is the points for the electromagnetic sounding. This is how we do it. And you see production activity plan include for one installation per year 1,000 barrels a day from one installation and 700 megawatt hours a day. So, instead of using oil shale as a fuel and having the high sulfur content, we offer not to use it as fuel, but extract the TOFN from this oil and produce electrical conductors, nonlinear optical devices, polymer devices, displays, electrochromic windows, photoresistor, anti-static coating, sensors, batteries, electromagnetic shielding, all this very long list of products that could be produced from the shale oil and from sulfur in shale oil, instead of combusting it and to emit the carbon dioxide to atmosphere. And all this, you see nanofibers, bipolar membranes, it could be used as fine chemical and to lower emission. So production activity, all the things, and you see payback period 9 years from the start and 6 years in operation. So special thanks for organizers. Shukran. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.